Welcome to the channel, and what was supposed to be a video of the frame coming apart and the last of the components that are attached to the frame got kind of diverted on Wednesday because it got freezing cold here in southern Ontario. So you can see the frame is still out in the driveway, and actually we're supposed to get another giant chunk of snow today, and I believe overnight as well. Also realized I sort of forgot that this was in the cupboard, and I need to get that installed in my truck so that we can safely pull the trailer, because I don't have a brake controller in my truck at the moment. So that also sort of slowed things down. We decided to do a quick repair on the rotisserie. I'll flip this. We managed to get it a little more balanced, and then what we did was we've added a 5/16 bolt to either end, at both ends of the rotisserie, to better ensure that it's not going to slip, because the only method they have is these two jam bolts. And we just thought, well, because these tubes are hollow, the crush may not stay as it's sitting here. So anyways, it was just a peace of mind thing. So we decided to get into this. We quickly pulled the convertible top frame out of the car, and we decided to take some pictures of the bolts. I'll throw those in there so you can see, just so when we go to put it back together, we have a quick reference for realigning it, because it is definitely adjusted at the factory. And then we got into this. The undercoating on this we thought was going to be fairly quick, and it is pretty time consuming actually. This stuff being on there for 60 years takes a little while to get off actually. So we were heating them up with a propane torch and then scraping it. But you can see if it's not warmed up, the stuff is it's rock hard until you actually get some heat to it. So that's what we were working on for hours, and get a little further back so you can actually see. I would say that we didn't, well, maybe got around a third of it done in all the hours we did it. It definitely revealed some of the ugly. This channel that runs side to side under the driver's seat, that is probably going to have to be replaced. Of course, we've got a couple spots on the floor pan here that are a little ugly, and there's a little bit in here we already see. These are the seat channels, so that would be the seat fastening points inside the car. This needs some repair. That's going to be a bit of a challenge, because it's actually an extra panel on top of the floor, or on the bottom of the floor pan, but it also goes over the channel that we also have to replace. You can see where it's fastened here as well. It is spot welded, we believe, along the inner rocker panel. The inner rocker panels are actually in quite good shape. Like you can see where this is all clean down here. This is like amazing for 60-year-old metal. It's in such good shape. And even, some portions of the channel, some of the floor pans, actually you can see some of the original, well, we think it's original white paint. We're still trying to decide with some of that. But a lot of it looks really good, and we definitely made a little progress. Another good shift in on next Wednesday, and we hope to have a lot of this cleared. I'm not sure if we'll actually be able to complete the entire job. And that's about it for an update. Definitely look forward to showing you a little more. We tested brake clean on the bottom after we got an area cleared, and it definitely removed some of it. We also tested lacquer thinner, and lacquer thinner seemed to cut the remainder of the undercoating much better than the brake clean did. We'll probably we're looking at soaking it maybe. By all means, if somebody has suggestions as to what they found to be the better method, we'd be all ears, because we haven't tackled something quite like this. The undercoating they used way back, it's definitely a different product than what we're more familiar with. And I'm going to throw this out there for anybody who wants to take the time. See this decal right here? You can have one of those. All you need to do is send us an email, and we'll send you a decal if you want one for your toolbox. We appreciate all the extra information that is being sent to us, and you know, what we're learning. Well, hopefully some others are learning, but most of all, we're learning from people who have been in this position before and done these jobs. So again, thanks so much, and we'll be back next week again with another video, hopefully showing the remainder of the floor. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.